Hi everybody, and welcome to today's video, and I'm going to be showing you my skincare routine that I follow every morning. I have been using some of these products now for about 6 months and I am completely obsessed. So while I was in the shower, I went ahead and washed my face with the Sublimage cleanser from Chanel, and then you just saw me use one of their pretty much like their setting lotion, if you will. You can use it on top of your makeup or anything like that, but I spray it first before I start, and now I'm using their micro luminescence, which is full of antioxidants, which is really great for your skin. Don't be alarmed by my redness in my skin. I turn red anytime I touch my face because I'm so light, so yeah, that's fun. And then after I get done with using my microluminescence, I go in with my Chanel Hydra Serum. This one's really good because it ensures moisture for 24 hours. And in terms of skincare, you want to start with the lighter products first and work your way up. So when you get to creams, if you're only using like heavy creams on your face and not using these type of products before you get there, that's kind of the order that you're not supposed to do. So you want to kind of follow your orders from most liquid to thicker is what I always try to follow. So that's why I start off with my microluminescence antioxidants, then I go in with my serum, and now you're gonna see me get to the point in my step where I brush my eyelashes, because if you have eyelash extensions, you should be brushing them every single day, or you're gonna end up with clumps, or they're gonna fall out, and that's not cute. And that's on period, okay? So yes, I make sure all my lashes are perfectly in place. And now I have been testing out Chanel Sublimage, their under eye cream. They gave me a whole bunch of samples the last time I went and bought stuff, so I've been using that, and I really like it. I'm trying to take better care of my skin. My skin feels healthier, it feels more moisturized, the elasticity in it, I can totally tell a difference, and just the texture of my skin has changed massively, as well as I've been getting regularly facials now for about 2 years, so that's always great, and I always do Hydra facials at Image Skin Studio. Now I'm going with my Sublimage Le Creme. I love this stuff. It is very pricey, but it absolutely is amazing. My skin feels so radiant and it feels so good. I get compliments all the time. People stop me and they're like, oh my God, you're just glowing. And I'm like, it's Chanel, honey. Not a bag, but the product. All right, and then now after I get done putting that everywhere and feeling like the amazing king that I am, I go in with my Laneige lip mask. Now it's technically a sleeping mask, but I use it every single day. My friend Ashley got me hooked on this stuff and I absolutely love it. My lips feel so good even during the cold. They have stayed so moisturized, so healthy, and nobody likes crusty lips. It's not a thing, okay? It's not cute at all, period. So now you can just kind of get a good look at my face and my skin. You can literally see the radiance off of it, and I love these products. I will link them all in the description below, and you guys can try them. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you all. Bye.